There it goes.
It's the 100 one. I don't know what that means.
It means it goes a lot further.
So it ain't the P85D then you're saying?
No, no, it's the big one. This is the 100.
Oh, I didn't know they had a 100. Never heard of that.
Yep, the 100's the biggest one. Go pick up his car. Just make sure I got everything. When that car starts, what do you think?
I think it's going to start right up.
It's going to start. It's going to start.
I mean, the last time you had it out, what? I mean,
it had been sitting there like over a month, not touching it, fired up. So, all right, here we go.
Damn. That's awesome. It's quiet like a kitten, isn't it? Like
it don't make no noise. The only thing you hear is the tires starting to break free. That's it.
When you pulled up, I didn't hear nothing at all.
No problem.
Hey, man, our pleasure. All I gotta do is remember how to get out of here and get down to the other house. That's all I gotta do.
Return to terminal.
Oh yeah,
it was funny last night when you were driving it, man. I was cracking up when you were like, "Oh no, oh my god!"
Man, this thing had me scared. Well,
you ever watch the videos where people play cards and they take naps while the girls are driving somewhere?
Yeah,
they sit there and take naps. They play cards with each other and all kinds of crazy stuff. Get in the back seat and do all kinds of nasty stuff.
Yeah.
The glass, that top's glass too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really
I think
Alcantara.
you know, it's not going to see any lines.
Interstate 240 East, Oklahoma 3
Yeah, because you got to merge. So what are you going to do? Because there's traffic everywhere right now. I'm not going to wait for it. Sorry, car. I'll let you drive again here in just a second.
It'll follow. Yeah, it'll do it.
Keeping it 60, obviously. It's not going to speed up.
Yeah, it won't speed.
It's got the slide on this.
Yeah, if you're on a section of road where it knows what the speed limit is, that's it. But there's areas like that one stretch of highway where you're going 73.
Yeah.
It doesn't know what the speed limit was there. And I think there's a way you can make it go over the speed limit in auto drive mode.
There may be a setting where you can tell it, hey,
what
we'll
mode
go.
do you have the car in right now? What mode is the driving mode in?
It's in comfort mode.
They got that lunatic mode, don't they, on there? Or insane?
Not on
this one, no.
Is it going to turn for me?
Then keep left to take Interstate 240 East.
Did you stop or the car stop?
Car does it.
It's keeping a distance between the car in front of you.
And you can even set how close or how
I
far.
thought this would be possible like 20 years ago.
No way.
When I was a kid, I would have thought, yeah, we're right. Like the Jetsons, we used to watch the Jetsons fly to each, you know.
See,
we're just.
if you have a Tesla, you can literally just bid on Copart cars while we're driving down the road.
That's awesome.
Copart is still waiting approval on the Cruiser. Yeah. We can go to a live auction too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's the, let's see if there's anything going on. Yeah, right here. Let's go to an auction while we're, oh, sorry. There we go. Go to a live auction. There it is. If the Copart website wasn't messing up. There we go. Let Tesla drive for you
while you bid on Copart.
Sold. Biohazard chemical. Oh man, that's a nice truck. $2,100.
That's junk title though.
Oh.
So somebody VIN swapped it. It sees these other cars coming up to merge in.
Okay.
Oh, somebody did a super bid.
Yeah. All right. We have made it. And I'm pretty sure we just broke like a record, made history. Because I'm positive that a Tesla has never, ever been on these roads ever before. So, oh yeah, nice. Let me out, let me out, let me out. Oh. Let's hop out and oh, let's go into the house. It's still covered up in
All kinds of shit.
got to squeeze out back here. Oh my god.
What happened?
The Grand Marquis sits back there.
In the backyard?
Look at the mole, man.
Punish in the yard. Yep, the Grand Marquis over there. This is the giveaway car, guys. Probably one of the last time you guys see it.
Good name of the specs in there. Really charge you like 10 grand to do that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it feels good in here.
Hey, you know that central heat and air is working.
Yeah, the keys are here. That's positive, because it's really hoping.
This one's nice.
Thank you. You want a Coke or water? Or?
I'm gonna be good.
I know you want a Coke.
Yes, sir. Caffeine. Never say no to it.
So here are the keys to your new car.
You got a picture on all the keys?
Yeah.
You hand them all to me like that.
Let's see what I got for mail here, and then.
For what it is, I mean, the car is...
Like I said earlier, it's, how can you complain? I mean,
No.
You'd be kidding me.
The car runs and drives perfect. Tires and stuff are good on it. The brakes and stuff are good on it.
Smells good.
Yeah. The interior's clean. And just the first one of a few that we're going to give away. Wow.
And there may be drugs in here too.
Oh. I got my own of that. Don't worry about that.
I don't see
Screws.
screws. No. So maybe I got some in the garage.
Remember that yard when you bought this place, how bad it was, remember?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. There's all sizes, shapes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shit, what is that?
There's different bolts. Even if we had to use a ratchet to put them on.
So small. And these right here, I bet, are perfect, dude. And if those aren't perfect, I bet you these are. So, and there's a flathead screwdriver in the other. All right, where's the plate?
Plates right here.
Dog collar, right? Cat collar.
Yep, that's it.
It works.
Yep. All I need is a screwdriver and we'll be good to go.
So you want that plate back or something, or what?
Nah.
You got my neighbor?
No, it went down that way. Blue truck.
Yeah, these screws are perfect, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, like they're perfect. This. All right, there she is. There he is with his new ride. What do you think?
Thank you guys very much.
Hey, man.
No problem, man.
No, it's probably not going to make it back.
Eh.
AAA probably won't help you get it there either.
Oh, man.
No, I think this car is going to make it there just fine.
All the haters are like that.
Yeah.
I already told them, get AAA, ain't gonna waste your time.
Yeah, that's what all the haters said, is that it won't make it. I think it's going to be funny to come back when he makes it, because he's a mod in there.
Yep. Be like, yeah, my Malibu made it all the way back.
Made it back. Well, and it did it on
And they got $3,000 for it.
Yeah.
And, and you did it on $30 in gas.
Yeah.
$30 in gas and it made it.
Yeah.
495 miles back home.
There you go.
Is that really all it is, $495?
Yeah, it's not
It'd be
bad.
2 days for me to get that far. Shoot, I can't drive that far at one time.
Yeah. Man.
That's why I brought a week worth of medicine with me.
Ready to go. License plate. Yeah, because I didn't bring the booster pack.
Yeah, when you buy the exhaust pipe, it's not.
Silverback said he said cold start. Cold start on the Malibu.
Get back here by the muffler.
On the winning Malibu. Don't forget
On the winning Malibu, that's right.
number 15.
Here we go. I'm telling you, I know these cars, man. This is
That's
solid.
too, man.
Oh yeah.
Oh, hear that exhaust? Oh, my Charger. Sounds like my Cortero.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the seats are real comfortable. It's like this is the last generation where they actually cared and made the seats nice, you know?
Starts right up, no problem.
Yep.
Yeah, she's a good ride. Can't believe you got this for $175.
I know.
They said a million miles. That's why a million miles.
Well, that's why I bid on it. When I saw that I had 1.1 million miles, I was like, oh, I got to buy this car.
Did it have a million miles on it?
Yeah, I didn't know, you know?
It's all about salesman. Oh, here comes somebody.
I have no idea. I assume they'll come talk to me if they want.
That's what you're saying.
East Coast. And I hadn't done the bumper or any of the other stuff on it yet.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Oh, you're filming.
Mm-hmm.
Don't film me, man. I don't want to be on camera.
You don't want to be on...
Hey, it was good to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
And I believe that car is going to make it. But if it doesn't, everybody's going to be waiting
Thank
to
you
hear
guys
you.
very
Yes, sir.
much. I appreciate it, guys.
Everybody's going to be waiting for him to come back in the comment section and say, that SOB.
No, I ain't gonna do that. I'm not like that. I'm not like that. No, I wouldn't do that.
It was good to meet you. It was good to hang out for a little while.
Yeah.
I need to have a fire out here, man.
Just burn all this stuff, man.
Man, there's so much wood for you can have a fire for days
It
out
looks
here.
good,
It'd be
doesn't it?
nice.
The car looks nice. Look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Straight. Look at the side. Straight.
Yeah, everything's good.
Super clean. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a good clean car. Good clean car.
What should we do for the next giveaway car? BMW? Acura?
Car is going to be McLaren.
McLaren? I ain't paying for that shit.
He said McLaren.
Yeah, he's a McLaren. I said, oh, shit.
Don't hold me to that either. Yeah, it'll probably be another Chevy Malibu.
Hey, you know,
Impala?
maybe an Impala, yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe a Buick?
Yeah, or maybe a Ford.
Yeah.
No, not a Ford. Not from this generation.
No, it's funny how it's cyclical, right? GM sucks now and Ford's great,
Yeah.
and GM used to be great and Ford used to suck. Yep.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. But it's good to see this one going, and
Or we can get Rich Rebuilds to work with us on a Tesla. We'll give away a rebuilt Tesla.
Tesla giveaway.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be the day, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, you never know. All right, well, we're going to get out of here. At least I'm going to get out of here.
Yep.
And he's going to take off in his new car, and wish him luck.
Yeah, we hope you enjoy it, and hopefully it runs great for you.
All right, thank you guys very much. I appreciate it.
No problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. We were looking at a different color bumper first, I remember, and then it was white, right? And then you saw the gold one down the other aisle.
And I said, that's the one right there, because if you look even at the ground effects, like everything
Matches.
Right, yeah.
matches up nice.
He's like, if you fucking...
There you go. Well, get the guys, here's something you don't see on most car channels. The car actually got given away.
Yeah, a car that was said to be given away is actually
Being given away, and nobody had to buy a bunch of merch to get the car.
No tickets, no entry fees,
Wow.
no merchandise, just a random winner got the car.
Well, after we had to go through, 15 people to,
Yeah.
meet the rules? Like, come on, man.
But here he goes. He's in it, and he's headed back to Missouri. Like, that's a good drive, man.
Yep.
This isn't like he was right around the corner.
There he goes.
Yep.
Major congratulations to the Silverback. We appreciate everybody for entering.
We appreciate you moderating the channel.
Yeah, we definitely appreciate him being a moderator for sure.
On the band hammers. And
Yeah. Immediately hammering them trolls. I was gonna say, don't go yet. That Mercedes, they'll be going right back to Copart. I don't know. There it goes. Off into the sunset for real. Bang.
You're beautiful chocolate color.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Look at this. That's one of the things I think is cool about this little town. Like, dogs just show up at your house.
Yeah, I know.
He's a
Look
puppy.
at you. Yeah, I know. Look at you.
He's a baby.
Look at you.
She's a baby. Whatever.
Look at
Beautiful
you.
eyes, too.
Look at you.
Beautiful eyes.
Look at you. You a jumper.